Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel is made to show you all about education, especially during this time of the pandemic where not a lot of you have access to an at-home tutor. Feel free to ask any educational related questions and I'll be happy to answer. So today we'll be doing square roots in 4 seconds. You can obviously calculate these on a calculator. Our minds need to be stimulated. I'm here to help you with that. You can also complete your in-class test much faster than before. Whenever you watch my videos, please bring a pen and paper and a calculator so that you can be engaged in this video. So let's get on with it. As you can see, these are the questions that we are going to work out. The first question is the square root of 6,561. Whoa, that is such a big number. But I'll give you an easy method to complete these questions. So, step 1. Alongside your pages, calculate all the square numbers from 1 to 9, as I did here on my list on my right hand side. Step 2. Highlight all the unit numbers to the answers of the square of the numbers 1 to 9. So I've highlighted all the unit numbers to the answers of the square of these numbers 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, etc. Step 3. Look for the unit in your question. Find the unit in the list that matches that are equal to, then write down the corresponding square root. So in my question, the unit is 1. So in my list, there's a 1 over here and there's a 1 over here. So the corresponding square root is 9 or 1. So I'll write 9 or 1. Step 4. Cross out the 10 and unit numbers in your question. So this is thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. So I must cross out the tens and the units. Step 5. There will be one or more numbers left. Find the number. Read the number left to right. So we have 2 numbers left over. So I'll read it from left to right as 65. Look in your list for a number that is lower than your number that you found in step 5. Choose the corresponding square root number. So we have the number 65. 65 lies between 81 and 64. So 65 is higher than 64, but it is lower than 81. So we'll be choosing the number 64. So the corresponding square root is 8. Step 7. Multiply the answer in step 6 with a number that follows that number to find the unit that we have to pick between. If the answer of the multiplication is lower than the number left in your question, then we will pick the lower number. If the number is high, then we will pick the higher number. Then we will find the answer. The number that follows 8 is 9 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 follows 8. 8 times 9 is 72. 72 is greater than 65. 65 is lower than 72. That means we have to lower number. So the answer will be 81. Calculate the square root of 6,561 on your calculator to see if you will find the answer 81. And of course, you will find the answer to that question. That will be 1. So the next question we'll be doing is the square root of 7,056. You can pause the video to see if you will be able to do this by yourself, but I will still continue if you don't understand. So the question is 7,056. So the first thing we have to do is find the unit. So the unit, now we have to find the unit in here that corresponds to it. So we have a 6 here and we have a 6 here. So the corresponding square root is 4 4, 6. Next, we have to scratch out the 5 and the 6. Now, our next number is 70, because we have two numbers left over. 70 falls between 81 and 64. 70 is greater than 64 but less than 81, so we'll be using 64, which the corresponding square root is 8. We'll then multiply 8 with the number that follows after 8 in the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which will also give you 72, like the previous question. 70 is less than 72. So that means the answer that we'll be picking is 4. So the answer will be 84. The next question we'll be doing is 576.